Hello students, welcome to VHS Language Center. Let's begin our journey today.
Explore Our World 2, Unit 4, Animal, Period 113, Lesson 1, Part 1, Review Vocabulary.
Giraffe, monkey, zebra, hippo, lion, crocodile.
Part 2, Review Structures. I have a dog. I don't have a dog. I have a cat. Part 3, Speaking. What animal is this? It's a lion. What animal is this? It's a crocodile. What animal is this? It's a hippo. What animal is this? It's a monkey. Thank you for watching.